Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Erasure in Jojo Roguery. Time Erasure is a powerful ability that essentially stops time for everyone but you, lasting for up to 10 seconds. From your opponent's viewpoint, this period simply vanishes, making it seem as though you instantly teleported. This unique advantage allows you to move freely, reposition, and even anticipate your foe's next move, giving you a significant tactical edge in combat. To unleash Time Erasure, you must be wielding the King Crimson stand, as it is one of its core mode moves. Once activated, the world around you will appear to break into a void, while your opponents will only perceive a sudden, inexplicable jump in time. This visual effect on their screen signifies that you have successfully initiated the ability, granting you a brief window of unseen action. Mastering Time Erasure involves strategic timing and mind games. A prime tactic is to bait your enemies into committing to an attack, then activate Time Erasure to punish their vulnerability. You can reposition for a surprise attack, escape a tight spot, or even set up devastating combos. This ability is excellent for controlling the flow of battle, forcing your opponent to react to your unpredictable movements. For advanced play, integrate Time Erasure with King Crimson's other abilities. For instance, activating Time Erasure before using Imperial Cleave transforms it into a direct combo starter, hitting from the front. Additionally, pairing Instant Erasure with Fateful Foresight allows you to swiftly teleport to an enemy's afterimage for a surprise assault. Precise timing is key to chaining these moves for maximum damage and battlefield control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.